Good morning mga agaw, mga abay. We have uploaded a video previously um, depicting this area, small area here in our vegetable jungle, which looked bare and empty. But now vegetables are starting to come out from the ground, especially our Malabar spinach and other vegetables sprouting from seeds. So for your information, our Malabar spinach are from seed sprouts, and now we just transferred them to areas, so different areas, so that they can grow healthy and bigger. So we do have a lot of projects here, or experiments, like companion planting. So I have here a cassava, and then 2 weeks ago there were just sticks and woody sticks, or stems of this cassava that we harvested a month ago, and then we buried those sticks on the ground, and this already the result. So they're already creating lots of slips, from the ground. And before them are Malabar spinach from stem. Okay, some are already showing signs of new life, like this one. This is a new leaf coming out from the nodes of this stem. Supposed to be waste material already, but we made use of it to benefit from it. Okay, since we have quite a number, not so many seedlings of this leafy vegetable called Malabar spinach. So this is one of the experiments that we have. So once this cassava grows taller, since this type of plant grows very fast, Malabar spinach will also follow, and then will climb up to its stem, or woody stem. Like I'll show you an example of that. So we let the vine of the Malabar spinach go up to the stem of the cassava. Of course, mag-una ni siya og tubo ang cassava, and then we'll create a taller stem or trunk, as high as 7 feet to 8 feet. So that's how tall this plant is. I think up to 10 feet, depending on the soil, the richness of the soil. So this area that I have mentioned a while ago seemed to be bare and empty, but now it's teeming with life already. So these are the Malabar spinach that we have transferred. So we distance the planting of this type of leafy vegetable about 1 foot from each other, and then we inserted some vegetables like okra. So this is okra, this one. We have quite a number of them here. That one is also okra. That one, it's already big. That one, and more okra there. But what dominates this area are Malabar spinach, because we really love Malabar spinach. And for all you know, the price of this leafy vegetable went up as high as 80 peso 80 pesos per kilo. Okay. And then since our method or idea is to make this a jungle, vegetable jungle, we planted also moringa. So last week we cut our old moringas, and then we planted the woody stem of the moringa, and it's already showing life, that one. Okay, so that means it's already alive, and it's making already vicious roots now on the ground. So this one, so we have many moringas here. I think more than 20 of them here, and quite a number of okra in this area also. Those are okra there to there. Okay, so we will wait for more weeks, so we will see this area becomes green. Our string beans are already, I think, starting to bear flowers, starting to bloom. So this one is a flower already. Usually each node should have one of that, each node. So I saw plenty of these, like that one. This is already a flower. I think tomorrow it will open already, like this one. This is okay. So that those are flowers, and then eventually it will become its fruits or seed pods. No, so we have how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we have 8 bags of actually these string beans are planted on rice bags of 25 kilograms. They're very healthy here, so we'll update you with this project that we have here later on as days pass by. We'll show you, the development of this vegetable. This area we have bigger Malabar spinach. These are mixed variety. This has brown Malabar or pink, and then this we have white. This one is white, this one is brown. We have so many brown here, and so with I think dominant color is white. The Malabar spinach, Basilia alba, is dominant here. Basilia rubia, we only have, I think, one. I've seen there. I think that one. I'm not really sure if that is Basilia rubia. Yeah, but it looks like yeah, it looks like one. That one. That's tomato coming from our compost. Since the material of our compost are coming from the, our waste coming from the kitchen and grocery store nearby, so that's why it has plenty of seeds in the humus. And when we applied the compost on the ground, life starts to grow and flourish. So we have seen lots of tomatoes, mango, we have bell peppers, and then we have papaya, and there are very many you know uh, sprouts from seeds. So this is I think almost 2 weeks since we transferred them, and this is already how they look. There are over 100 of these leafy vegetable here. Still have there that area beside the pathwalk. So we made a small pathwalk. Pa dito. So those are Malabar peanuts. I think the last batch that we have transferred in this area, close to our cassava. So this area are all cassava here, quite small. I think this is just 2 by 3 meters, but it's all over on the ground, and then we mix it with sweet potato. So this one is moringa, and you're very familiar with that. So it's an old moringa. I think the oldest tree here. We cut it a month ago, and then we utilize the woody stem and plant them all over the place. So like this one. So this is alive already, and this one also. That one very alive, and that one is also alive. We don't have mortality in our moringa. All moringa that we have planted in this area are all alive. This one seems dead, but it shows life already, that one. And we have more actually in this side, like this one. That's new life. Okay, we do have ampalaya or bitter gourd here, and they're doing well. Look at the leaves, very shiny, glossy, very green, and it's growing with Malabar peanuts, no? These are sprouts from the seeds that fell, no? Many months ago. And then we have papaya. We didn't uproot this plant since this is a jungle, so we just let them grow with the other vegetables and other plants. So we have papaya here, we have ampalaya or bitter gourd, we have Malabar peanuts, and this one is tomato. As I have said, these are sprouts coming from our natural organic compost, homemade compost. So this is another bitter gourd. It's already going up. So this becomes a trellis for the bitter gourd. Okay. So far this is the update that we have here, or the development of this area. Okay. So from afar it looks bare and empty. When you go nearer, you will see the vegetables already growing well. This one, this is already, I think, almost 2 weeks, 2-week old moringa, but it's very alive already. And this one. So in this very small area we have In our inventory we have I think 10 of them here. Okay, so this is the newest planted moringa, woody stem. This one was I think last week, but it's already growing well. See the leaves, and this one are the first ones that we planted. That one very healthy. We have plenty of plants here. So we have we find our ghost pepper here in this area. We have 2, and then we have 2 eggplants here, and we have quite a number of ginger on the ground. We have lemongrass. We have planted more eggplants in this portion, and the rest are Chinese peanuts and Chinese cabbage. Thank you for dropping by, mga agaw, mga abay. Hope you enjoyed the video. Happy New Year, everyone. Let's plant more and be productive this year, 2023. Helping our environment, our Mother Earth, our blue planet recover from devastation. Again, thank you, and see you soon. Au revoir.